Alright guys, nice, easy video here for pre-calculus. We are honestly at the end of the first major unit, so I really want to have a soon big test, and I want everybody to do really well on it. So here's your assignment. After you're done watching this video, I immediately want you to go to the review videos for pre-calc. Review videos for pre-calc. I really want you to watch a couple of them, okay? Because at the end of the day, you guys have got to be able to do some simple factoring. That is the number one thing that I think we struggle with the most. So please watch those factoring videos, and we'll do some practice on Monday with those factoring things because we really need to go over that, okay? And the second thing, like factoring, I guess, is like number one. I mean, I know it's number one is review videos, but you get the idea. You need to make sure you can factor, and also make sure you can do some of that simple math. Okay, domain is really important. I think we're finally starting to get an understanding of it, but it's got to become, something that's just easy for you guys to do. Okay, and also check out a lot of those other review videos. They really will help you. I know there's a lot of them. Hopefully by now you've watched a couple of them. I would really recommend watching the factoring one and also watching some of the ones just over basic polynomials. Make sure you know how to add, subtract, and kind of do some of that basic stuff with the polynomials. Also, we did in class the last couple of days. We talked about the idea of working with rational expressions. Okay, this is going to become really important when we move into chapter 2. Okay, and we're working with rational expressions. This is like the addition and the subtraction and the multiplication, the division that we talked about in class. Okay, we really want to make sure that we know how to do that, getting the common denominators and so forth. So really take some time to watch those videos and practice. Okay, what we're going to do when we come in class on Monday is we're going to go over a couple of those things, make sure you guys really understand all that stuff, and we're also going to take a look at solving equations. Okay, there's many different types of equations out there that you should have already learned about that we have to just kind of review over, make sure we know how to solve. Not only basic equations, but quadratics, and the whole idea of solving. Remember, solving means trying to find a solution. And in mathematics and pre-calculus, another word for solution, right? Another word for solutions, okay, is zeros. So finding where the zeros, finding what number makes a function 0 is really important. And to figure out when a function is 0, that means to solve it. It means to find the solution, and you have to figure out when it equals 0. So that's really important. So that's kind of the idea of solving. We really want to make sure we understand how to do that, and we're going to focus a little bit on that on Monday. But I need you guys to come with a really strong understanding of some of those basic concepts and some of those basic rules that we talked about you need to know how to do. So watch a couple of those review videos, please, right now. Make sure you're pretty good on factoring because that's going to be really important in this next unit. And make sure you're okay with a couple of those other videos. Don't have to sit and watch them all. I know they'll take you a long time, but watch a couple of them, please, so we can get real good at this and be ready to go for Monday. Because we are approaching the end of this first unit, and the big test is coming up, and I want everybody to do real well on it. All right, guys, have a good weekend. Thanks a lot. Bye.